Good morning, class. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, that is heat and temperature. And today we are looking only for part 1, means half of the chapter. The concept of hot and cold. Do you know? We feel hot and cold by our senses. And always a hot body has more of heat energy in it than a cold body. For example, stand in sun. It is hot. Light a candle. The flame is hot. Rub your hands. Your palms get warm. But suppose you hold a cold drink in your hand, then you feel cold. Heat is always in the form of energy. Heat energy has different forms, and heat comes from the sun, flame, rubbing 2-3 things, and electricity. One form of energy can be transformed into another form of energy. For example, chemical energy from a wax candle can be changed into heat energy. Electrical energy in bulb can be changed into the light energy. So energy in the nature cannot be destroyed or created, but always it is changing from one form to another. Then what is the temperature? Concept of temperature is that how much a body is hot or cold. Means temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature can be measured by a thermometer. Normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees C, or it is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. When we say anything is hot or cold, then how much hot or cold is temperature? To measure that temperature, thermometer is the simple apparatus by which we can measure the temperature of our body or of any object. Different scales used for thermometers are Celsius scale, which is 0 to 100 degree, and Fahrenheit scale, which is 32 to 212 degree. In the Celsius scale, all the divisions are divided into 100 parts, and one part is known as 1 degree. In Fahrenheit scale, it is divided to 32 to 212, means 180 parts, and again one part is known as 1 degree. Mercury thermometers. Most of the thermometers, they have mercury inside it. Children, do you know mercury? Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. In thermometers, 2 reference points are taken as standard determiners. These 2 points are the melting point of ice or the freezing point of water, that is 0 degree, and boiling point of water, that is 100 degree. But nowadays, different thermometers are used. First is clinical thermometers. Doctors use clinical thermometer to measure temperature of a human body. Suppose you have fever, you go to a doctor, then he will first measure your temperature by a clinical thermometer and then consider if you have the fever or not. Digital thermometer. Nowadays, digital thermometers are used which do not have mercury but give the accurate reading. These are the safe and easy to handle. In the clinical thermometer where the mercury is used, if they are broken, then mercury comes out, which is very dangerous. But in digital thermometers, no use of mercury is there, and they give more accurate reading, and they are safe to put in the mouth of a child. Alcohol thermometers. Alcohol is also used in these thermometers instead of mercury, and they are used to measure the room temperature. So So this is for today all. Next part we will do on the next turn. Thank you.